Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the horror movie character by their voice. We prepared 30 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. 1. Guess the voice.
You've been very naughty.
That was the voice of Chucky.
You've been very naughty.
2. Which famous horror character do you hear in this?
I saw so many things.
That's right, it's Vecna from Stranger Things.
I saw so many things.
3. Who's in this?
I'll float down here. Yes, would you?
It's Pennywise.
I'll float down here. Yes, would you?
4. Can you guess who it is?
I want to play a game. Here's what happens if you lose.
Amazing, it's Jigsaw.
I want to play a game. Here's what happens if you lose.
5. Would you rather be trapped in Pennywise's house or be trapped in one of Jigsaw's twisted games? What's your choice? Let me know your answer in the comments. 6. Listen closely. Who was it?
Do you think I made it inside your house before you could rearm?
Yeah, that was Ghostface talking.
Do you think I made it inside your house before you could rearm?
7. Do you know the owner of this voice?
Nothing personal, but in an hour, maybe 2, you'll be dead.
The correct answer is Alice from Resident Evil.
Nothing personal, but in an hour, maybe 2, you'll be dead.
8. Do you know this voice?
You just dangle a pocket watch in front of people's faces, is that it?
Awesome, it's Chris Washington from Get Out.
You just dangle a pocket watch in front of people's faces, is that it?
9.
Mommy, I did what you asked me to.
It's Jason Voorhees.
Mommy, I did what you asked me to.
10. Guess the scary movies by the Emojis. It's The Ring. 11. Recognize the voice.
It's time to put this bad dog to sleep.
That's Freddy Krueger's voice.
It's time to put this bad dog.
12. Which horror character voices this?
Here's Johnny!
The correct answer is Jack Torrance.
Here's Johnny!
13. When you hear this voice, who comes to your mind?
I give you the choice between the power of a god
It's Dracula from the movie Renfield.
I give you the choice between the power of a god
14.
Adults.
Is that so?
Yes. Experts say the preferred method is to give your child the choice.
Yeah, it's the voice of M3GAN.
Adults.
Is that so?
Yes. Experts say the preferred method is to give your child the
15. Would you rather have a doll like Chucky or have an AI friend like M3GAN? Which option do you prefer? Let me know your choice in the comments. 16. What's the name of this famous horror character?
But I'm not gonna hurt you anymore.
Yes, it's the grabber from Black Phone.
But I'm not gonna hurt you anymore.
17. Who was it?
I have tried to contain you.
So good. It's Laurie Strode from Halloween.
I have tried to contain you.
18. Next voice. Right, it's Lee Abbott from A Quiet Place. 19.
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am the...
Exactly, it's Jack Skellington.
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am...
20. Guess which character this is by The Shadow. Yes, it's Annabelle. 21. Listen closely. Do you know which character this voice is for?
If you hear something in the woods, you tell me.
That was Mallory from Bird Box.
If you hear something in the woods, you tell me.
22. How about this?
Say something.
Nice job, it's Michael Myers.
Say something.
23. Oh, who was it?
You understand? I don't hate her.
Excellent, it's Norman Bates.
understand? I don't hate her.
24. Recognize the voice.
I see you walked into my woods, child, thinking you could find.
Oh wow, it's Slender Man.
I see you walked into my woods, child, thinking you could find.
25. Guess the horror character by these emojis. Right, it's Pinhead. 26. Who is this?
I like to dissect girls. Did you know I'm utterly insane?
You're right, it's Patrick Bateman.
I like to dissect girls. Did you know I'm utterly insane?
27. Any guesses? It's Leatherface. 28. Do you know this voice?
Do you know what you look like to me with your good bag and your cheap shoes? You look like...
Bingo, it's Hannibal Lecter.
Do you know what you look like to me with your good bag and your cheap shoes? You look like...
29. Which horror character voice is this?
But I do. And I'm sorry.
Here, it's Samara Morgan.
But I do. And I'm sorry.
30. Which horror character do you like the best? Let me know your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Quiz Factory for more fun and interesting quizzes. See you in the next videos.